Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am doing an unboxing of an SLG from Louis Vuitton. You would have seen in the title of this video what I got. This is an item of Louis Vuitton that is highly sought after by many. I'm truly excited to finally own this SLG, and today's video is a true unboxing, as I will be sharing with you the moment that I get to meet my cute little SLG from Louis Vuitton. Stay with me if you love watching unboxing videos. So I'm going to try to slide this out without undoing the ribbon. Oh, and I'd like to say as well that the SA at the store was also kind enough to send me some sample perfumes. So I'm going to be trying this out and hopefully decide on the one that's best for me, that works well with my skin. It's a very kind SA we got there. Alright, so this is the moment. Let's meet my SLG. Just put the box back. Yes, it's come in the dust bag, and this is the moment when I unveil and reveal my mini pochette. It's as beautiful as I thought it will be. Wow. It's so cute. Right, I can say right away that this, oh, it zooms, this is made in France. You know how it is, everyone likes their made in France items. I would have loved it regardless, but this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So in terms of the features, I got mine in the Damier Ebene canvas, and it's also got the leather trim there. It's come with the gold hardware. A zip closure. It's got Louis Vuitton on there. And the chain is non-removable. And what is meant by that is you can't detach the chain completely, but it can be removed from here. So the clasp there. And I've seen people clasp it on here and then wear as a wristlet. It's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. And that's the sound. That's cute sound of the chain against the canvas. It's beautiful. Should we look inside? Smooth zip. And it's the beautiful textile lining. That's lovely color, the Damier Ebene color. And I've just got the textile card on there. I like the red textile lining. The code is in here somewhere. Just gonna say, yeah, I can see the code. It's there. And as I've said before, this is made in France. The length of the mini pochette is 5.5 inches. The height is 3.5 inches, and the width is 0.8 inches. I'll just give a 360 view of this mini pochette. Vuitton facing up there, and it's facing up as well here. This is a truly versatile piece from Louis Vuitton, and I suppose that is why, apart from it being very cute, of course, that explains why many Louis Vuitton lovers like to have this in their collection. I know of people that have this mini pochette in the 3 prints available, so the damier bin, as I've got here, the monogram, as well as the damier azur in their collection. It's just so beautiful. I've got this now and I'm already thinking of getting it in another print as well. So because it's very versatile, it means you can carry it in different ways. As I've showed before, it can be worn as a wristlet. It can also be used as a catch-all, where you can clip it to other big items. So you can put it in a big bag and you just put all your essentials in it. And of course, it can be handheld, you know, just carried like that, and it's so beautiful. I'm also thinking of, you know, just wearing it with this chain hanging as is, and then attaching a chain from another bag, maybe my Félicie chain, and then wearing it as crossbody. I'm truly excited to finally own this. It is beautiful. So let's see what I can fit in this mini pochette. I've got my cards in my key pouch here, my car key, my phone is an iPhone 11 Plus Max. It's too wide for this bag. Take some tissue. A lip gloss. It's closed smoothly with plenty of room for more. It's amazing how many things can fit into this bag. I can still fit other things in, but obviously what I've put in there are what I would consider as my essentials for when running an errand or hanging out with friends. This is a really beautiful SLG. It is perfect. Everything like I imagined. Definitely worth the wait, and I will say it is good value for money. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.